Through the years, we've shot a lot of Mustangs in all different configurations, but we've never shot this body style Mustang. This one also comes with a really interesting story. The owner, Omar, has bought this car twice. Originally for his dad, then when his dad decided to sell it a couple years ago, Omar bought it from him and changed a bunch of stuff. Did all the work himself. This is a raw, garage-built car. It's stroked, it's manual, it's noisy, and it is the first 1971 Mustang we've ever shot. Looking forward to introducing you to Omar and digging in on this one. Hey guys, this is Omar and this is his 1971 Mustang. Why don't we pop the hood? Let's start there, because you said originally it was a 302, just a stock 302, right?
Yeah.
And then you did a 331 stroker is what it is? So you're making 400, 450, you don't even know, you haven't dynoed it, right? Yeah, but you know it's somewhere in that range. And you did everything yourself on the car, other than, you said what, audio you didn't do?
No, the sound system, the muffler system.
Oh, got it, okay.
Yeah, my friend did it for me. Other than that, everything is me.
What are you running for exhaust? Because it sounds great.
It's a 3-inch H-pipe with a 40 series Flowmasters.
What does it go to? You said manual trans, right?
The Kio 600.
Nice.
And I was just collecting parts randomly. Before buying the car, I had parts everywhere.
That's smart. So once you got everything, you were able to just jump in and build the car you
start
wanted.
putting pieces together.
Yeah. What are you geared out at the rear end?
373s.
Ford 9-inch?
8.8.
8.8,
Yeah.
got it.
I shortened it an inch on each side so I can put bigger wheels.
Gotcha. And then you didn't have to mini tub it, right?
And I'm doing a 12-inch on the back without the 12s.
Have you upgraded suspension or?
Basically used coilovers, bigger sway bars. I did everything new, bushings, everything on it.
Yeah.
So it's basically factory.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so still factory subframe on here, but you've added coilovers.
Coilovers and sway bars and control arms. And
now, how about on rear suspension?
Caltrax.
Caltrax
with adjustable shocks and everything.
Oh, right on. Yeah. So you got the car set up to drive really well. Well, you drove all the way here from Palmdale.
Yeah, an hour drive.
And in the heat, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like it's cold out today.
Over there is hotter. So
I'll bet it is. Yeah, yeah. Well, it looks like you also beefed up your cooling system considerably here.
I did a champion radiator 4-row with spot fans.
So you got dual fans.
I was sitting at 180 all the way here, so it wasn't that bad. 180. So
perfect. That's where you want it to sit, pretty much, right?
Yeah.
One of the things that stood out to me when you sent me pictures of the car was your wheel and tire setup. What are the wheels and sizes and tire sizes and stuff?
So the rear is 19 by 12, and then the front is 18 by 9.5.
And then what do you run tire-wise sizes?
I think it's a 305, 305, 35, 19, and I think it's a 265, 35, 18.
Plenty of tire, making the power you're making. You probably grip really well with that. Plus the Caltrax, I'll bet this car digs in good, doesn't it?
You just wanna go.
And does your exhaust come all the way out? Oh, it does come all the way out the back.
Way.
Dude, it's so fun to see this body style. You know, I had a 70 Mustang as a kid, and we've shot a lot of 65 to 70 Mustangs. Nobody seems to mess with this body style. It's very rare to see.
The ugly one.
Yeah, I'm sorry to say it. One time it was the ugly Mustang, right? Like 71 to 73, you're like, get the 69
right now it's still like I told a lot of people I have a 71. It's like, you have the ugly one.
Yeah, I guess part of it is it's just fun to see something different because we see so much of 65 to 70 that it's fun to see something different, you know. Have you painted it since you've had it, or is this the paint that was on it?
No, when my dad bought it, we had somebody did their body work. So when I got it back from my dad, it was already painted.
Gotcha, okay. So you were able to go through and just do mechanical stuff and get it driving.
Basically.
Yeah. See, even the wing, so that's factory, right?
Factory, yeah.
See, I think these are cool. It's funny. This was the ugly Mustang when I was a kid, and now
I tried to put some makeup on it, make it a little bit better.
Yeah, dude, the car looks great though, man. Now, how about, have you done interior stuff to it?
Yeah, basically the new upholstery, door panels, carpet, has a Dakota dash.
Oh yeah, those are Dakotas, huh?
That was steering wheel, always a fan of that since they gone in 60 seconds.
You take care of me, I'll take care of you.
Nah, that's great. I love the wheel. And so these are stock but replacement door panels?
Yeah.
How about the seats? Same thing?
The stock, everything is stock in the interior with the
Yeah.
dash and the steering wheel.
It really is. I mean, this really brings you back to a time that we've gotten so far away from. But then again, you've got nice gauges here. I mean, is it a GPS or is it connected?
It's connected to the transmission.
I like the simplicity of what you've done, man. It's like, for one, it's fun to see garage built car. I mean, garage built in the sense like you've done everything yourself on it, you know. And I say we'll get our cameras in here and we'll go have a little drive.
For a while. Yeah, let's do it. That'll be nice. That'll be fun.
Thanks for coming over today, dude. I know it's a big cruise for you to come from Palmdale out here. Thanks for doing this.
Welcome.
Yeah.
And it's a pleasure to be here with you.
Awesome, man. Super cool. All right, we're gonna go for a drive, you guys. Hey guys, real quick before we go for a drive, I just wanted to mention that we do have a new item coming out on July 18th, shirt and hat. If you like it, make sure you buy it quickly because we don't order a ton of stuff and we sell out fast. With that said, let's go for a drive. Right away, you hear that sound, you go, yeah, I'm happy, right? You know, it's funny, dude. I've driven 65 through 70 Mustangs. I've never driven 71 to like probably 79, 80. Fox body, I've driven a bunch of different Fox bodies, and then I've driven modern Mustang. This is my first time ever driving a 71 Mustang.
That's nice.
And I've driven a lot of Mustangs in my life, man. It's different, dude. And I love your steering wheel choice. I love the wood wheel. You're right, that's gone in 60 seconds right there. That's 67 Shelby, you know?
Yeah.
It's the right steering wheel. It still feels like a classic car. You know what I mean? It's not overly refined where it's lost its character. You know, it's bouncy, you hear stuff rattling, but I mean, look, you just drove this car all the way from Palmdale. That's, what, 65, 70 miles, probably, something like that?
Yeah.
Hot day, and you said you're sitting at 180 degrees.
You want to be driven.
It's what they were meant to do, you know? Yeah, it's stiff.
Yeah, I have to work on that rear suspension. It's a little bit twisted.
Rather have it a little stiff than a little bit too loose and the car's sloppy, you know? Your car sounds so good. Your friend definitely did a great job on the muffler setup. I keep going for fifth on accident. I forget how quick it is to get, like third is just right there. But it's fun learning the setup of your car, you know. So you've had this car on the road the way it is now. You said you bought it 2 years ago from your dad, right? And then right away you built it like it is?
I started taking the motor out, transmission out, differential out. And he's like, you're crazy, the car is driving. With 170 horses.
That was it, huh?
Automatic with 243 gears.
Yeah. You're like, no, Dad, I'm not driving it that way. Has he seen the car since you built it the way it is now?
Yeah.
Does he like it?
He does, but he's like, oh, you should have left it the way it was.
Oh, of course.
Like, nah, that's not me.
But you can tell it turns better than the stock car.
Yeah.
The upgrades you did, the sway bars, the coilovers, the control arms. I don't know, I can tell you this much, your car makes me smile, man. That's
the whole point.
That's the whole point, isn't it? Right?
The whole point of the build.
That little bit of bounce you get on the bumps, I don't know, it's fun to me, man. job. The wheel choice is neat on the car. You know, black, you can never lose with black. I mean, black is just cool. Yeah, yeah, a little bouncy. Well, you don't want to drive it every day, but it's fun, dude. This is like, it's what it's about to me. Any of you guys watching, you guys know what I'm talking about. It's not about how much power it makes always, it's, does it make you smile? Are you having a good time, you know?
How big of a smile you get? That's the whole point. It's not about the power, right?
Actually, I mean, it pulled good when you took off.
Yeah,
the Caltrax work. It helps it helps give you that weight transfer. You know. Fun car, dude.
I never drove it like that, so it's like, all right.
It's your first time getting on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I always have trouble with the neighbors.
Well, I'm glad you're getting to feel your car a little bit. I'm glad that we get to be part of your first real drive of it. Is a raw, garage-built, cool 71 Mustang. Simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know I see it in the comments a lot that you guys like the raw, garage-built ones. There you have it. And a reminder, July 18th, our new items, our hat and our shirt are going live, atlamerch.com. Thanks for hanging and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, man, later.